Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Starbucks Reserve Tanzania Iyenga. I picked it up from my local Reserve store and I'm going to tell you if it's any good, so let's get into it. This coffee is a Starbucks Reserve single origin coffee from Tanzania. Tanzania is a country in East Africa known for the Serengeti National Park and Mount Kilimanjaro. Tanzania also neighbors Uganda and Kenya to the north. I was pretty excited to pick this bag up because I love coffees from the East Africa regions. East Africa coffee is known for producing unique flavors and is produced in countries like Ethiopia, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, and Tanzania. The tasty notes on the card say sweet and zesty with generous notes of pink grapefruit, caviar lime, and cocoa nib with cedar accents. Overall, I had a positive experience with this coffee. It was really easy to dial in and produce a unique citrus coffee flavor I really enjoyed over ice. The bag cost me $20 for 12 ounces, which I think was a fair price considering it's a single origin coffee from East Africa. I'd rate this bag an 8.2 out of 10 and is up there for being one of my most memorable coffees of the year so far. I'd recommend picking this one up if you can find it out there, especially if you enjoy bright coffees or enjoy your coffees over ice like I do. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy all things coffee, subscribe for more. Cheers!